Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're alright. We've had a couple of weeks off. My head wasn't in it. We've had rain, and more rain. We've had more leaks. Things just not going to plan. So I've had a couple of weeks away from the bus. We've done some family bits and bobs together. If you follow us on Facebook, you would have seen them bits and bobs. But today, I finished work early because it is, believe it or not, raining and trying to snow. But we go to collect our tyres today from Cawthorns. Now, it doesn't seem like much, and people might think, why are we doing tyres now and not later on? Simple reason being, got a good price on the tyres, thanks to Cawthorn for sorting us out with those. And also, it means I can move the bus around on trade plates to get it to garages to get other bits fixed that I can't do, which is a bonus. Obviously, they're a year old. They've been on the coach, they got scrapped. They've done very little mileage. And obviously they've got 10-year rule on the fronts, and they've got 9 years left on them. And at the price we're paying for the tyres, it is worth having. So thank you to Cawthorns for sorting us out for that. So we just get the van emptied. I've just gone from work, moved some of my work stuff. We're going to nip down to Cawthorns, pick up the tyres, and then get dropped off at the Turd. So let's get going. It's not raining.
I know, it makes a change, doesn't it?
It has been raining, lots.
Lots and lots.
There's a big puddle down at the Turd as well, isn't there?
There is. Massive
So
puddle.
we're just going to take the van. I've gone to go and drop some of my cardboard off at the recyclers. Then we'll head down to Cawthorns to get tyres.
Yay!
Got rid of this paper now. Quick stop off at Hancock's to get some goodies for this week. So whenever you come in here, it smells like a sweet shop, but just on steroids, because obviously there's just like 12 aisles of pure sugar. I found the shrimps, that's what I want. The mini foam shrimps, that's what I've come for. Not the bananas, just the shrimps. On the first aisle as well, that's unusual. So we'll have a look around. I'm going to get my free soup from the machine. Let's see what else they've got.
Good secured.
So we just got down here. Just going to move that transit out of the way so we can reverse in there to get the tyres out. I've got Summer's packed lunchbox, which I'm going to use as a water scoop because they've been outside. But yeah, got some nice coaches down here on the Cawthorns fleet. And there's me having to worry about lifting them in.
No.
We've got a ramp. Look at this.
2 ramps.
And who says you've not got all the gear and no idea?
I made them for when I put my quad on my trailer.
Aye, I do.
Wheelchairs in buses.
I do. Look at this. Get them all in.
We're going on 7 on a bus. Because it's not 6 on a bus no more. Because somebody decided
Someone
I've
said
won
baby.
it fucking Northern Hospital waiting room.
Just go for it's easy. I've got 5 kids, it's easy. That's it, yeah.
Two children, we had 2 twins. So we went from one
See, it's not hard. If you can do twins, you can do all.
That's it.
Oh, sliding start from my knee.
I mean, if you can't get them all in, you want to take these problems and put back forward, or put them,
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
we'll put them out. Yeah, I made that for like quad.
Yeah, makes sense, doesn't it? No, that's alright.
Try that, just sit there, just try to get some more out.
Yeah, you go side to side and just come out.
Oh, comrade.
What's that? Oh, we just washed out to the Paris.
To the Paris?
Sunday morning. Let's have it all, perhaps all of there.
He's only going to rain in 5 minutes and wash it off for you. Promise.
This is that snow.
Are you sure you want to put that in there?
Yeah.
Alright. That's fine.
Should we get breakfast as well? What do we do? We have to eat side to side?
You don't get stuck with them on Nicole in your fields.
That's it.
I'm going to go camping with all that stuff. Yeah, but you haven't got like 15 huskies, have you?
No, we've got one.
Could do with these for my daughter's football team. Take them to training room next week.
How many more we got to get in? 3? 2?
How many have you got in?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, back to
You might be right.
Coming straight
Women are
back.
always right.
No,
No.
no.
Well, we can put them on top. Really strong.
It's
That's how I
the
used to
water,
carry
innit?
Huh?
It's the water, innit?
Why don't we go and drop these off now and come back?
We've got time. What time is it?
That can be alright.
20 past 1.
This ain't
Oh,
got
yeah.
tow bar and boat could shove something drill.
We're at the unit. Try not to step in any puddles. Conrad's just gonna, we've got the tyres in the back of the van, so we're just gonna get them out. Try not to get run over by Conrad reversing. It's like a game of World's Strongest Man with the tyre thing. Tyre lift or whatever it's called.
Tyre day! Right. So obviously, being very kind of Cawthorns, this was on a coach that basically had brand new tyres all round and did a couple of thousand miles and then it was scrapped. So the tyres have come off. Then I had them stored in a unit. But look at this. Look at that for a drive tyre, so it's spot on. So, I should have brought that round with me, shouldn't I?
No, it's like World's Strongest Man.
Right,
it'll just try.
Watch the water, you ready? Just splash
Yeah.
out, you ready?
Oh no!
Oh,
And there's our solar panel.
oh, Eddie, all your out. Right.
What are you going to do? Line them up?
Look at him there. Look at this next one. I need to do a short soap. Hold on. 2 seconds.
So he's got his shorts secured now, so we're not going to be flashing anyone.
This was a.
Come on, just get them out. We've got 4 more, well, 2 more to get. True test is going to be getting them on top of each other. Who needs the gym workout where you can just lift? Oh no! Where you can just lift some tyres.
I've got to go to school after this for summer's head teachers awards. Ready?
A couple of them have got rims on, so they're going to be even heavier.
Really heavy.
Just lean it like against it and then do another pile.
Oh, it's got a rim on.
Yeah, so put that at the bottom.
Just back round, you ready? Oh dear.
Sorry to our landlord.
Sorry, Darren.
Getting your workout in. This one's got a rim on as well, I think.
You ready?
Yeah, try not to let it hit the wall again.
Oops. Are you getting this on the camera?
Yeah, of course I am. This solar panel may not be in any fit state anytime soon.
It's took 6 inches out of the box.
Has this one got a rim on as well?
Look at grip on
Yeah,
that.
it's really good, isn't it?
Great for festivals.
Yeah.
It's gone on the drive axle. Ready?
Oh, that one's really full of water. There we go. And then it's just 2
This
more.
one's even got the spokes on it still.
Then we've got 2
And
more
they've
just
got
to
9
get.
years on them as well. For the steer axle ones, we've got 9 years on them. So that's always a good thing as well. Let's go back, get the last 2. And we'll have a look at nosy at Cawthorns buses. Spokes on side, happy days. Right.
Perfect.
So this is Cawthorns, one of their latest editions, 75 plate. Tour liner with all the spec on for the wheelchairs. And the 75 plate is very nice. Purple Turd related because it's got purple signage on the side. And the reason it's a purpley pink colour It's because the owner of Cawthorns has just had baby girl twins. So this has got a baby shark horn on it as well, which is very loud.
That's fine.
Look at that, right tidy dash. It's a nice spec. Look at seats.
Oh, very nice.
All the way down. All belted. If you are looking for coach travel around South Yorkshire, you know, give Cawthorns a ring. I'll put the details in the description. A good telly. A toilet for them longer journeys. This bus, I think, is going to Paris tomorrow with a couple of others as well. Very light and airy in here, Nicole.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, look at the headroom.
Yeah.
Well, we'll make an offer. We'll give him 50 quid for it and a packet of Mars bars. Oh, giving it a wash look. Getting ready for it going out. Cool. Oh, wow.
Oh, very nice.
Got the lights. Round 2. We've done the school run. Someone's got a Head Teacher's Award for singing. Didn't you? At Young Voices. Yeah. You had a good week, Poppy? Ted has a no. Right, let's get these tyres out. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Step back. They like to bounce.
Why are they so big?
That's how big tyres are. Should we see how big they are against you, actually?
Yeah.
Very much, ready?
They've got water in them.
Right, come and stand next door to the wheel.
It's
Fair size, isn't it? Do you know what we should do? Is sit Luna inside one and roll it.
No.
Wait,
Oh, Edie.
she'll fit in that.
Yeah. They're good tyres though. This one's got all its spokes on the side still.
Nice.
All the spokes there. So that'll be going on the drive. Here's tyre. Start out of the way, we had a few incidents earlier.
So don't tip all the water out in the van.
It already did.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Actually.
No, don't save it. It'll knock you over. Oh.
He's coming back! Come on, let's go! Oh,
That was
good
close.
save, Nicole, good save. Right.
Did that one-handed.
If not, it would have gone the thing, whatever you call it.
Right,
So,
so
we've
that.
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a spare, which we can put on. 6, 7. So that's enough tyres to replace all of these that are on here. There's only good 2 tyres on the Purple Turd, but they're out of date. So we put all these on.
Why are tiny?
You have to have a certain date on tyres on the steer axle at the front. They can't be older than 10 years old. It's a good rule to follow just in case you get pulled back dozer, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, that's that one. That is done. Now you're going to see some footage now, which I did last week before it started raining all day, where we sorted some of the leaks out, which is where is 99.9% of the places. I've got one small leak in the back window. So let's have a look at that. So obviously you're looking at the leaks from the upstairs windows. It's from behind this trim. Now I've pulled this little bit off and look how wet it is. It's absolutely drenched. And this is actually where we've got some leak upstairs. So there's a little bit of a leak here and then I can leak halfway down. So we can take the rest of this trim off. I'm going to clean up the excess gunking. And then I'm going to basically reseal it all. So let's get this bit off and then start cleaning it up. So obviously we've now removed that trim from this first window and you can see the holes. There's another one that's there, nice decent sized hole, and all of this water's coming out of it as we've done. So what we'll do is we'll clean this all off. I'll just use the multi tools to get the excess off. I'm going to give it a clean up and then we shall have a look at filling some of these holes in.
So as you can see, Conrad's taken out the old sealant from the windows with the multi-tool. He's then used some new black sealant to fill in the gap. We've gone all the way along because all of these windows have been leaking.
That's a lie.
Okay, sorry.
They've not all been leaking.
Okay, maybe not this one.
Don't depress me more.
But yeah, so Conrad's just on this one now, and then it'll be the last one that we need to do. This one's quite bad, isn't it? This one for leaking.
No, it's that top one.
Oh, is it the top one?
It's that one there we've got it done.
Yeah, so we've gone all the way along, so not to miss anything. Painstakingly long job, but needs to be done.
So we got down to the last bit of trim. Nicole's just having to chisel it off because this one's on good, but it looks very sceptical behind it down here. And we have got a leak on this window, so let's see how we can get on.
I think we've just found our next lot of, oh, do we just scrap the bus?
Oh, I'm behind. What? We're going behind the sill. Oh man.
What's up, Conrad? Oh no.
Thank you.
So we've got that trim off. What's been happening with it, Conrad, is some of the water just been held by the...
Yeah, so the skin of the bush has been holding the water behind this top bit. So I've hammer beated it back in. And I'm going to fill and build up the sill up and down. Then we'll seal it level with this. Obviously the trim will reseal it as well. So hopefully this window won't leak at all. This one's leaking dramatic.